I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts grow a garden. We'll explore the delightful world of circular garden beds, a fantastic way to maximize your planting space. These unique designs allow for incredibly easy access to all your plants, right from the center. For best results, consider making your circular bed at least 3 feet in diameter, providing ample room for your plants to flourish and thrive beautifully. Beyond their charming appearance, round gardens offer several practical advantages. By incorporating a central composting system, you can continuously enrich your soil, fostering a vibrant ecosystem. The circular design also promotes more even water distribution, ensuring every plant receives adequate hydration. Remember to choose companion plants wisely. Pairing beneficial species together will enhance growth and deter pests naturally. Ready to build your own donut garden? Start by marking out your perfect circle on the ground using a simple string and a central stake. Next, construct the edges of your bed. Natural stones, reclaimed wood, or even sturdy bricks work wonderfully. Finally, fill your new garden space with a generous mixture of nutrient-rich compost and high-quality topsoil, preparing it for planting. Maintaining your circular garden is straightforward and rewarding. Ensure your plants receive deep watering about 2 to 3 times each week, particularly during warmer, drier periods. To keep your soil vibrant and productive, remember to replenish its nutrients annually with a fresh layer of compost. Soon, you'll be enjoying the abundant beauty and delicious harvest from your very own, uniquely designed garden oasis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.